My name is Andrew.
My name is Zaire.
My name is Jeremy.
My name is Keith.
We're from Careers of Sports. We're a high school in the Bronx, and today basically we're gonna be talking about how our homemade projects in our science classroom can help us lead to like the global warming issues and our air quality in New York City. So as you can see, we basically use a list of supplies. We use homemade materials like paper, tape, glue, and as our recorder to get data, we use Aquaphor to record the amount of particles or dust in the air. So as you can see on the chart, there's a lot of VOCs, which are volatile organic compounds. They're basically like small stuff that's that could be harmful to you, which includes hairspray, but it also could come from cars or how people smoke and vape in New York City. Like the amount of ash and all that carbon builds up, and that could really like make it bad. So if you want to add on to how we made our systems.
Yeah, alright. So this device right here is one of the ones Andrew was talking about. As you can see, Lewis, our classmate, he made this device, and how it works is through this tunnel, the particles come in, and the aquaphor collects it. I also made one of mine's, and right here you can't see it, but on the bottom of it, it's open, and on the bottom is filled with aquaphor, so it could collect air particles and collect the data.
Okay, so this is a product that I made and I created this. So this is basically a structure that can trap the air regarding our global warming issue. So in the middle we have a tube here that can suck in the air, the bad quality air, and trap it. We put aquaphor over here. As you can see, there's some dust here that we have collected, and that shows that our experiment worked. So the aquaphor, it basically traps in the heat, cools it down so that our air can be more clean and more healthy for everybody around.
And I want to explain a little bit of why we really made our project, and show a little bit of results. So as you can see here, there's a paper towel wheel. The reason why it looks like this is because we basically had a project in our classroom, and it may not be a lot, but there's definitely some like dirt there. As you can see, we basically wanted to test the air quality in our classroom. But the reason why we didn't get like a lot like that is because some of our classrooms have more plants than others. So, but like if we were to put the air quality device like in different areas of our school, like we did, like more dirt will collect. But the classroom that we tested it in, which is on this paper, had a lot of plants, and we still was able to catch a lot of the dirt in the air.
This is how we tested our classroom air quality.
This is how we reported how the air quality in New York City is very versatile.